Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will read the essay Importance of Sports. Sports and games are very essential for character training. Their importance cannot be denied. They are as important as food. Knowledge is food of mind and games are the food of body. They keep us active, alert and smart. The developed countries attach great importance to sports and games. They consider it an essential part of education. The lesson in the classroom do not have as deep and lasting impression on the character as that is learnt in the playground. The lesson learnt in the playground is practical. Sports and games build up the character of the young students. They create the spirit of sportsmanship. They make them disciplined, punctual, and active. Therefore, a number of schools hold athletic contests and different games like football, hockey, cricket, and badminton. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.